A short story behind it is that the abbreviation, das acronym GEM, it was the idea of one of the first initiators of GEM, who was actually getting engaged, and his idea was to call the project GEM, which actually matched the full name. Value of GEM is that it's like a huge missing puzzle in the whole picture of entrepreneurship. When we, for example, in Polish Agency for Enterprise Development talk about entrepreneurship, we always have data from two sources: our Central Statistical Office and GEM. And GEM is like additional source, but it's the source that you have to have, because otherwise you would not understand, for example, why people are starting businesses, what blocks them from starting businesses. You can get, for example, the information why people are actually exiting businesses. You can observe changes. You can see whether women are much different from men in terms of entrepreneurship, and you can verify what sort of stereotype in the society, and you simply get. I'm talking like from my perspective of working in a public agency. You get source of data that you need to actually design public policy, because without it, without GEM, without other data, we would be just guessing. Yes. Yes, because GEM has already been doing that by having the entrepreneurial education at the level of primary, secondary schools, but also higher education and also post-education in the assessment of entrepreneurial ecosystem. These are the statements that our experts are assessing. But apart from that, there are other indicators, like, for example, fear of failure, which is the social cultural thing. And once you know that that ratio is high, you can analyze why it's high, and you can actually think of implementing some programs, some actions, maybe small changes in the program that would somehow show young people that actually failing is actually nothing so bad, and it shouldn't be punished by the society in a way. But I'm also answering yes, because with joining GEM, you are joining a project where every team has its voice, and every team can propose new topics, new special topics. Every team can join those data team groups, and where we analyze, like every year, we go through question by question, and we verify whether trends made us change something, or whether there is a huge need within, for example, one national team. But very often it happens that when one national team pops up with that theme, other national teams say, okay, let's add that question too. To jest postawa. To jest postawa. Entrepreneurship is sort of skills, abilities. It's how you behave, whether you are like open to new solutions, new business ideas, or and you are somehow ready to spot them, ready to use them. It's entrepreneurship.